Assalamu alaikum. Do you have used books on your shelf and you don't know how to get rid of them? Or are you a book lover who wants to read books in affordable prices? My name is ABDULGHANI HAMZA, matric number 1824321. Today we are going to be presenting about our final year project, which is BookLub. BookLub is a mobile application where we have enabled the users to buy or sell their used books. Or better, the users may also give away their book for completely free. Also, the users can share their experience and opinions on books through the post page, and the other users can interact with that post through comments or like. For the problem statement, as we have mentioned on the introduction, many people do not know how to get rid of their used books. That's how the idea behind BookLub came, where the application enables the users to list their used books to sell them, or even better, they can give it away for completely free and share the knowledge. Moreover, we can see nowadays that the prices of used and new books is extremely high. That's why in BookLub we have enabled the users to find books with reasonable prices and very affordable prices. Not only that, we have enabled also the users to share their opinions and reviews on books through the post page. And also the other users can interact with them through the comment or like feature.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shima HAIDAR with matric number 1725900. For the objectives in developing BookLub, we want to ease the process for people to learn and share knowledge by finding affordable and good quality books in BookLub application. Furthermore, to allow users to create a post where they can comment and discuss their favorite book with people with the same interest. Lastly, we want to reach out the book lovers community and gather them in our application and give them the ability to share their ideas through posts and share books with each other and invite others to our application. For the target audience, BookLub is targeting working adults and students from different ages and different backgrounds, as well as book lovers. Not only that, but BookLub is also targeting people who love to share their interests and opinions about books with others.
For the features, BookLub aims to develop a mobile application which has a user-friendly interface and a straightforward functions for the selling and buying process and other features. Another great feature is that the users may list their books as giveaway or donate books. They can give it away for completely free. Another great feature is the post feature, where the users can share their opinions on the post page, where other users may also interact with them through the comment and like feature. Also, another essential feature, which is the search feature. The users may search for books based on the genres of books. Also, the users may share their reviews and experience through the review feature. For the methodology used to develop BookLub, we have used Agile methodology. So, in Agile methodology, we have 5 steps. The first step is planning. BookLub's scope is developed in the planning stage. Next is the analysis. In the analysis stage, we analyze the data and we collect and come up with the findings. Next is the design stage, where the design is created of the system, and then we also come up with the features that will be in the design. Next stage is the developing, where we come to develop the actual system. We build the actual system and the features that were planned to be developed. Also, the features that were supposed to be developed. For the next stage is the testing. This is where the user testing happens, and in this stage we come up with the errors and the bugs.
for the use case diagram, as we know that we have admin and the user, which is the seller and the buyer at the same time. But since here we are going to explain more about them, so we made it separately. So first of all, the admin, he will manage the database, and he's going to be responsible for deleting account and verifying password and email for the users. And for the buyer, after he sign up or log in, he can view books by search or clicking on the bestseller in the homepage, and he also can make an order by messaging the seller, and he can create a post. And for the seller, he can sell or donate. That's mean like he can sell it, he can put like a price, or he can put free, and also he can add books, edit books, and lastly he can delete books. And for both seller and buyer, they can set up their profile and they can edit their profile. So this is the prototype for our application, where the user has to log in or sign up first. So once the user opens the app, it will show him this page where the user has to log in by entering email or and password, or by signing in with Google, or if he doesn't have any existing account, he can sign up. And the details we are asking the user to put in is the name, the username, and email, phone number, and password. And we also ask the user to confirm to our terms and conditions. And then the user, once the user presses login to account, it will redirect him to the home page for our application, where it shows where the user can search by book name, author name, or ISBN. Like once he press the name, press search, it will give him all the books listed under this name. After that, the user also can search by the genres, the specific genres, for example, fiction, or he can view all the genres we have. This is like all the genres we have. After that, the user there will be a section for the free books, the books that are listed to be free. So once the user click view all, it will show all the free books we have. After that, the last thing in the home page we have is the best-selling books, and it's based on the most common books. And after that, we have a navigation bar where the user can navigate from a page to another through this navigation bar. So this is the profile page for the user, where it shows general information about the user, and we also have the listings listed by the user for sale and the reviews done by the user. And we also have the user also can edit his or her profile, but of course we did like limit it to some information. For example, the username and the email can be changed by the user. And after that, we have the messages page, where the user can see the messages either if he was a seller or a buyer. He can like send messages through this page, and also he can select pictures for the product. He can also send pictures. After that, we have add item page, where the user can add an item for sale, and that happens by selecting the book genre and writing the book title and the details of the used book, and choosing the deals method to be done, and finally add the book page. So for example, here if we add it as under fiction and we wrote the title, and we chose the deals method, and we added a picture of it, and then once we press pause, it will show this product page, where it has the name of the book, the pictures of the book, and the details, and the genre here, the deals method, and the user who the seller, and also the reviews for this, if they did like for this seller, if someone if someone bought from this seller before. And after that we have also the price, and we have two buttons, which is contact seller if we want to make a negotiation. We can message the seller, and also we can rate the seller after doing the payment and all. So in this review, the comments we write here, it will show in the profile page and also the product page. Lastly, we have the post page where the users can share their interests and opinions regarding any book, and the user can add a post and a picture to describe the post, and the other users can interact with this user by comments and likes. And yeah, that's all for our application. Thank you very much.